environment. The use of light colors and reflective surfaces further amplifies the natural light, making the space feel even more open and inviting. The dining area, seamlessly integrated into the open-plan layout, offers a perfect spot for meals and gatherings. A large, simple dining table is surrounded by comfortable chairs, positioned to take full advantage of the panoramic views provided by the expansive windows. The minimalistic approach ensures that the focus remains on the beauty of the natural surroundings and